Here's the problem most beginners face before they start investing. Too difficult to understand, too difficult to navigate. What if I told you now there's an easy and fast free way to invest directly from your bank app, with no sales charge and platform fees? They'll also offer simple choices and even management fee rebate. In today's episode, let's check out TrustInvest and see whether it is worth using. And if you haven't joined close to 20,000 members in the Honey Money SG community Telegram group, then join us right there to get your best investment insights. Now, firstly, I want to cover on what is TrustInvest. Trust Bank is one of the digital banks licensed in Singapore, and this is their new investment offering. But let's talk about some key benefits of TrustInvest. Firstly, it is easy and seamless where you can invest directly from your Trust app. Secondly, you will not be overwhelmed with choices with 5 funds for you to choose, which can cater to your different needs and investment risk appetite. So you have one money market fund, which is Cash Plus, one income fund for monthly dividends, which is Income Plus, and 3 core funds, which will be tailored to your risk appetite, and that is Wealth Plus. Moving on, let's give an overview of the TrustInvest funds, starting with Cash Plus, which is a money market fund and considered low risk. So Cash Plus is comprising of government securities, and this is the historical yield before management fees. The next fund is called Income Plus, which is a monthly dividend for passive income fund, and it comprises dividend-paying stocks and corporate bonds to unlock a monthly dividend income. And this is the dividends target per annum. Lastly, we have Wealth Plus, where you have 3 core funds with varying risk levels. And you may select this fund if you prefer to invest in stocks and corporate bonds to grow wealth over the long term. You can also select from lower, medium, or higher risk for your fund. For cautious, it will be bond focused, and then for moderate, there is a balanced allocation of both bonds and stocks. And then for growth, which is the highest risk, there will be higher allocations to stocks. And you always have to remember that higher risk is associated with higher returns, and investment returns are not guaranteed. So once you have learned of all these funds, the next step is to start executing. And here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1, if you are new to Trust Bank, you will need to create a Trust Savings account, and you can sign up with my code right here. And both you and I can get a $10 FairPrice Group E-Voucher. Promotion T&Cs do apply. Do visit the Trust app for more details. Step 2, you want to fund the Trust Savings account. And to do that, there are 2 ways. Number 1 is to do it via a fast bank transfer to your Trust Savings account number. And number 2 is to deposit using a PayNow transfer to your registered mobile number or NRIC after you have registered your PayNow with Trust Bank. Step number 3, how to buy a fund, whether you are with Cash Plus, Income Plus, or Wealth Plus. And for first timers, I'm going to give you an exact walkthrough. So the recording date is 19th of February. On your Trust app, click Investments. Then select from Cash Plus, Income Plus, or Wealth Plus. Example, if you prefer ultra low risk, you may select Cash Plus. And be sure to read through the fund details to understand what you are investing in. Next, you can click Invest and deposit into your investment account with a minimum of $100. Swipe up to confirm your investment, then your buy order will be confirmed. Start monitoring your funds in 2 work days, which is around 21st of February. Now, one good thing about TrustInvest is that everything is just linked to your Trust app. There's no need to download a separate app from it, like multiple funding, multiple transfers, which can get quite complicated. Since everything is done on one app, it is really very convenient. And for a limited time only, earn a scratch card reward, which can be up to $1,000 when you invest at least $10,000 with TrustInvest. And like I said earlier, promotion terms and conditions apply. Please see the Trust app for more details. Now, if you want something else to further entice for you to try out Trust app, they have the TrustInvest rebate program. Because if you are worried about the management fees, now you can get rebates on your investments. For Cash Plus, you'll earn a 0.1% rebate, and all other funds will earn a 0.5% rebate. Do know that rebates are accrued daily and paid out by the 31st of January 2026. But there's one key requirement, which is you have to hold on any existing positions of any fund through 31st December 2025 to receive the rebate. Now, one thing I really want to highlight to my viewers, as with all investment videos, is the risk and disclaimer. Because this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. All investments involve risk and are not insured by SDIC. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own research before making any investment decisions. And this advertisement has not been reviewed by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Now, some final thoughts about TrustInvest. I think that for beginners, it is a simple and easy way to get your hands started on investing if you don't want all the complicated apps and fund transfer stuff. And you can even start from $100 which is fairly manageable. I think the main selling point of TrustInvest app is that it reduces friction for those who want to start investing, especially if you're unsure of the multiple transfer steps and what funds to choose. So if you want to start investing with TrustInvest, do check out the link in description to sign up for a trust account with my referral code right here, and you can click on the link for more details on TrustInvest. And remember the promotion that if you invest $10,000, you can get up to $1,000 in cashback. Terms and conditions apply and for a limited time only. Meanwhile, if you want to check out Trust Bank's other offering, which is a Trust Cashback credit card, then I can refer you to my previous multi-currency card video right here.